Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Lincoln Navigator and I will show you how to pair and connect your Bluetooth phone. This video will apply to Lincoln Navigators made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Now connecting the Bluetooth phone is quite easy actually. What you have to do, you want to press onto the phone button right here and you want to press settings, and once you do that you will get the list of all the phones in the system, but you want to add a new phone, so you want to press add.
Search for sync on your device and enter the passkey.
And once you do that, you will get the passkey, and now you have to enable Bluetooth on your smartphone or iPhone and search for the fourth sync and confirm this passkey code. Okay, so I will continue this video by recording the screen on my phone. So first you want to enable Bluetooth, and this will get you to the Bluetooth menu. Now you want to scroll all the way down to available devices, and here there should be your Lincoln Navigator. Okay, this is the one, the sync, the fourth sync. You want to press onto it, and now that started the pairing process. And here you want to enter the pin displayed on the vehicle radio, so 384 510 pair. And that's pretty much everything. Now
for your safety, please
you're paired with your vehicle,
voice activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
And you can see connected for calls and audio.
Change your source to Bluetooth audio,
and that's pretty much everything you have to do. Now on the radio display you will get a question set as your favorite phone, yes or no, it's up to you. And also you can download your phone book and call history, again up to you. And this is mine, S22 Plus. This is the phone I just added. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.